loaded sweet potato. Absolutely delicious. So to make our delicious loaded sweet potato, you're gonna need 2 sweet potatoes, and I already washed and dried them, and I'm just gonna poke some holes into them just so the steam could go through. This is just something that I do, you know. All right, so let's get to the other one and poke some holes into that. After you poke your holes in the sweet potatoes, go ahead and place it in the oven at 400 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes. So it's time to make our delicious vegan sour cream. Let's go. You're gonna see how simple and easy it is to make this delicious sour cream. So I have 1 cup of cashews that I soaked overnight. Okay. Then to that, I'm gonna add the juice of 1 lemon, which is about 1/4 cup when I'm finished. 2 teaspoons of nutritional yeast. 1, 2. If you love this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't as yet. I'm gonna add 1/2 teaspoon, not much, of salt. I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Okay. To that, I will add 1 cup of water. Smells really good already. And then I am using my NutriBullet to mix everything together. Okay, so it's a little bit too smooth. I stepped away from the blender. That's too smooth. You don't want it like creamy like that. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit more cashew to it. Okay, I'm just gonna add 1 more cup of cashew. I usually soaked a lot of cashews overnight, so this is why I like to use my food processor, because I can watch it a little bit more like on pulse. And when I use this blender, it's really hard for me to watch it. So let's see. I blend everything together. I actually use my NutriBullet, but if you have a food processor, that's good. As you may see, look at this consistency. It's thick, but it's not the consistency that I exactly always get when I use my food processor. But it's good enough. It tastes really good, and it will work. Okay, so this is what our vegan sour cream looks like. Absolutely delicious. But not only is this good for your baked sweet potatoes, it's also good if you make tacos. It's great if you're making anything that needs a topping. If you make pasta, it's also perfect for that as well. This is so simple and so easy to make. You keep it in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, and this is how you're gonna keep it. I'm gonna show you how I put it on my loaded sweet potato. So these are 2 sweet potatoes. So I have 2 here, and I'm just gonna peel the skin and just, ooh, look at that. Looks so good, right? Peel the skin and just squeeze it up like this. And now it's time to load them up. Time to load them up. Let's make some space in the middle. All right. I will continue to add my black beans to this one. And don't forget, these are loaded sweet potatoes. All right, my black beans. Then I'm going to add some avocados. I'm going to take our creamy sauce and I'm just going to drip it all over. Look at that. Loaded sweet potato. Absolutely delicious, with a homemade delicious sour cream sauce that your entire family will love. That's it, guys. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. Check out these other videos. And what? Don't forget, if you do make this, tag me on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And what? Stay healthy.